Welcome to the Howick Main Street Stroll, a walk through one of Auckland's historic centres with a fascinating history. Howick village was settled by Europeans in 1847 in an area that was known by Māori as Owairoa. The first settlers here were the Fencibles, a contingent of settler soldiers from the United Kingdom. They were brought here to deal with a perceived threat from local Māori in the days of the New Zealand Wars. The Fencibles and their families were given plots of land in Howick in return for their enrolment in an armed militia. The Howick Main Street Stroll takes you around some of the significant sites, past the main churches, shops and hotel. Many of the old buildings are still there. You'll hear from local historian Alan LaRoche as he recounts anecdotes and stories behind some of the landmarks. Use the app's map to get around and turn on the automatic audio feature if you just want to walk around and listen to the stories. The app has additional images, audio and video, so have a look around if you would like to find out more. This is an easy stroll with only gentle slopes. It will take you about 40 minutes to do the entire loop walk. If you would like to learn more about the history of this area, please visit the Howick Historical Village at Lloyd Elsmore Park in Pakuranga. It's a living museum, a great destination and open every day from 10 AM to 4 PM. And make sure you check out the other local history tours, Buckland's Beach Loop and the Tamaki River Tour, also available in the Howick's Heritage app.